Need to airdrop Robinhood Chain tokens to hundreds or even thousands of wallets. Instead of sending transactions one by one, here's how AI Multisender can complete the entire process in just a few guided steps. Simply upload your wallet list, review the recipients, choose your token, and let AI guide you through the rest. It's designed to simplify large token distributions while reducing manual errors. Open MyCryptoView AI Multisender using the link in the description. This tutorial demonstrates how to distribute ERC20 tokens on Robinhood Chain using the AI-powered multisender. Upload your CSV file or paste wallet addresses directly into the chat. AI Multisender automatically validates wallet addresses, detects duplicate recipients, highlights invalid addresses, and checks whether recipient amounts are already included. If your uploaded file only contains wallet addresses, simply click "I'm done, set amount." You can apply the same amount to every recipient or assign different amounts individually. No need to manually edit hundreds of rows. Review your wallet addresses and recipient amounts carefully. Once everything looks correct, click "I'm done." Your recipient list is now locked and ready for the next step. Choose Robinhood Chain from the supported networks. If your wallet isn't already connected, AI Multisender will guide you through connecting the correct wallet before continuing. Next, choose whether you're sending the network's native ETH or an ERC20 token. If you're distributing a meme coin or any token deployed on Robinhood Chain, select Send Token. Search for your token by name or paste the token contract address. AI Multisender automatically retrieves the token information, so you can verify you've selected the correct asset before sending. Before sending ERC20 tokens, approve the multisender contract. You can approve only the amount required for this distribution, or approve unlimited if you plan to use the same token for future airdrops. Review the transaction summary, including your selected token, number of recipients, total token amount, estimated gas fees, processing fees, and the estimated number of blockchain transactions. If everything looks correct, click Continue to confirm and approve the transaction in your wallet. For larger distributions requiring multiple blockchain transactions, choose how failed transactions should be handled. You can stop immediately after the first failed transaction, or continue sending and retry failed transactions later. AI Multisender does more than send tokens. It automatically validates wallet addresses, detects duplicates, identifies missing recipient amounts, retrieves token information, and guides you through every step of the distribution process. That means less manual work and fewer costly mistakes during large token airdrops. That's how to distribute native coins, or ERC20 tokens on Robinhood Chain using MyCryptoView AI Multisender. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to MyCryptoView for more blockchain tutorials, AI tools, crypto airdrop guides, and wallet tutorials.